children. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes. Today is the Wednesday, the third month, the third day. Means third day of the March. Okay? Yes. We are now moving in the March month. Where is the March? It's a which month of the year? Yes, it is a third month. The first is January, February, and the third month is your March month. Okay, January, February, March. Now we are in our March month. Yes. Now we are going the little bit to our the final exam. The March end, you will finish all your schools and you get your summer vacations. Correct? No? This time, because of this pandemic year, all the whole year you spend it at home, enjoyed a lot, but don't waste your remaining time, children. You go on reading, because when you upgrade it to the new class, that time you will face a problem. Yes, no? Yes, okay. When you go to the school, they will ask you regarding some good habits, how you have to behave in your society, how you have to behave with your friends, with your guests, with your parents, how you can develop your personality, your what? Internal intelligence and all that and all I taught you. You go through that, you keep all your values very positively. Okay, children? Yes, okay. Now shall we start our class as usual? I will start with a cursive writing. Okay, we are learning in English the cursive writing. What is a cursive writing? Why it is useful? Cursive writing is nothing but a style or a different font of the letter of your small letters and big letters, which help you in joining letters. Okay, we learn till A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, X, Y, Z. This I can write joining all the letters. I'll show you how can I write here. Okay, we'll start with here. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, see how pretty it is. See, you can see the Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so we learned today the all the letters using the cursive writing. Okay, children? Yes, you learned now? Yes. I am going to give the homework. Complete all the pages. The homework is complete pages till 37 in your cursive writing book. Okay, and also you need to complete the page number 1 in your cursive writing book. Okay, you have to complete all the pages in the cursive writing book, that is page number 37 in your cursive writing book. You can practice it daily so that you will get thorough with all these things. See, my handwriting has been changed now from year to year, so you have to learn the cursive writing. Okay, children. Now we will move to another part of our English, that is our what? Diagrams. Okay, in diagrams today I am going to reveal all the things what I have done till today. Okay, all the diagrams what I did today I am going to reveal you. What are those? CH, CH, T, cheek, cheese, chop, cheese, chop. Next is SH, shoe, W-H-A-T. What? Where? Wheat. Then what? Why? And I have taken 2 question words and 2 the description words. Okay. These are the regard what we did for the diagram of CH, SH, TH and the WH. Can we do some sentences using the same thing? Yes, I will do some sentences of my own thing. On the day, I am telling you every time, the sentences is not any by hearted. You can do on your own basis, your imaginary. First, you have to imagine in your mother tongue, in your language, in your easy language. Then you have to convert the same thing to your what? To your English. Okay. Now, in the CH, I have taken cheap, cheek, cheese and the chop. Okay. I will write while eating cheese, please cheese many times. What it means? While eating a cheese, you have to chew many times. You have to chew many times and then you have to eat the cheese. Why? Because the digestion power of the cheese is very low. Okay. The next thing I will take splash, shore and show. And take a splash and shore. Okay. The water splashes from the shore. What do you mean by shore, children? Shore ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ದಡ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮರಳು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ದಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಶಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಶೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಡದಿಂದ ಆಚೆಗೂ ನೀರು ಎರ್ಚ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ನಾವು ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಶಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಶೋರ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥ್ರೋ, ಥರ್ಸ್ಟಿ, ಥಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಥೀಮ್. Thirsty, throw, thin and the theme. Okay. I'll take theme and thirsty. Okay. The crow story was themed on the basis of thirsty. You all know what is the story of the thirsty crow? Yes, the main basis of the story is the crow was thirsty. He wanted to drink the water, so he flew from one place to another place. He saw a pot, there was a little water in that. He don't know how to drink the water, so he put some stones into the water, that pot. The water came up and the crow drank the water and he flew away very happily. The main story theme was based on that the thirsty. Alva ಕಾಗೆಗೆ ದಾವರಿಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So I have written the same thing with one line. The crow story was themed on the basis of the thirsty. Okay. Okay. Next one. What were we by? What were we by? I'll take one question and one description word. Why? Why? Wheat is good in diet menu. Okay. Can you tell me the answer? Why wheat is good in diet menu? Wheat ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಗೋಧಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೋಧಿನ ನಾವು ಡಯಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ವೈ wheat is good in diet menu? Like that you can make so many sentences of your own imaginary children. But what I am telling you, don't depend always on your bookworm, or you don't become a bookworm. Don't depend on your books or on your mama to making the sentences. You think generally, you think from your open minded, you will get a lot of sentences. You can make it of your own children. Okay? Yes, yes, understood? No? So the homework is read, discover, phonics book. The first homework is you have to read the discover phonics book from the page number 20, 21, 22 and the 23 till 23. Okay. Then your reading readiness book page number, okay, your reading readiness book, please open your reading readiness book. In that the page number is 37. Okay, what they are given there? Read these words aloud, listen to the letter blends or combination of sounds at the beginning of the word. First you have to write your name, put your date, and you have to write. First you read change, shall, think. They are given change, shall, think. Keldade, what they are given, some pictures they are given, you have to see. If you don't know, please refer your phonic activity book or else your discover phonic book. You can see the same pictures in that. You select the first two blends, first two diagram, and you have to fill that box they are given there. Okay, understood no children? You have to complete the page number 37 and put the name and date. Don't forget to put the name and date today. With that, in your 4 lines book, make 4 sentences using diagram. Okay, what I have taken here diagram like CH, SH, TH and WH. You have to make 4 sentences using the diagram individually. Okay, if you take TH, you have to use 2 words in that and you have to make 1 sentence in that, like that. TH 1 sentence, SH 1 sentence, WH 1 sentence. Like that you have to make 4 sentences for the 4 diagram. This is your English homework. Okay. Before closing, we will go to the next part in the English. See, the first part I taught you what the letters, that is cursive writing. The second part we learned the diagrams. Okay. The third part we are moving to a third part, that is our sight words. What is a sight word, children? Every time I was telling you what is a sight word. Yes, sight word is nothing but a word which we use regularly in making a sentences with the grammar words like noun, pronoun, describing, naming words. The sight word is also very important in making your what sentences meaningfully. Okay, today we are going to learn a sight word down. Sight ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ down. Down ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕೆಳಗೆ. Down to the earth. What you get? You get a roots. Down to the chair. What you get? You get a objects in that, like that. Okay. I'll write some sentences. Okay. Go down to earth. Go down to sea. Okay. Go down to sea. Sea ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ sea ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಹೌದು, shark, whale, octopus, many kinds of fishes you can see beneath the sea only. In the upper side of the sea you can't see anything. You have to go down to the sea. You will get the pearl also in that. Okay, next. Go down through stairs. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? If you climb to the fourth or fifth building or the roof or the fifth building floor, if you want to go down means how you go? You will go down by stairs. So go down through stairs. If you want to go down, you have to go down through stairs. Go down to hill. Okay, you all know that rhymes, no? Jack and Jill went up the hill. They went up to the hill to see a pail of water. But they didn't get the water. They got a little water. While coming down, they fell down and the pail fell down and the water all lost. So they go down to hill. Okay. If that is the poem, you know that thing. The opposite of that is go down to hill. Okay. Like this, you can make so many words in your own thing using your sight word down. Okay, children. Now we will move to our next class, that is EVS. Okay, children, we will start EVS. In the EVS, just I will give you one homework today, because EVS we learn uses of the water and the sources of the water. You go through and read in your Tell Me More book. Okay, Tell Me More book, page number. You all open your Tell Me More book. In that the page number 34 and 35 is there, no? 34 and 35. You need to review or revise the same thing. Tomorrow we will discuss regarding the both the things. Okay, the sources of water and uses of water. You go through that, learn at home, read at home. Tomorrow when I come to the class, no, I will introduce the same thing. Okay, children, this is your EVS class. Okay, I hope you understood today's class.